Hello, my name is Pamela Thurman, and I'm going to talk about my presentation on seeing the bigger picture. The big picture. The most important thing is enjoy life, be happy, and by doing this, we can see the big picture and use mindfulness that we can focus on things and not be caught up in the moment. Why do I fail to see the bigger picture? I get obsessed in life with things going on. Our lives can become an emotional wreck. We're stressed out in work, at home, things not going right. We lose sight of what is important and we forget to be thankful. We forget to be thankful, not realizing that every day there's something to be thankful about. No matter what's going on in our life, no matter how stressed out I am, I have to remember to be thankful because there's always somebody else out there that has it worse than I do. My priorities in life are my family, um, my 5-year-old grandbaby that I have adopted, and I've had her since she was 2 months old. She's so important to make sure that she has a better life than what I took her from because she was 2 months old in a meth house. And that to me is making sure her life is eventful, happy, and that she is thriving. Um, she's my responsibility. I took her on to raise her when I was 53 years old, and I have to make sure that she has a healthy life. Graduating from college, getting my master's. Um, I never thought I could do it. I never wanted to try, but I have now. So it's a very big priority of mine is to graduate from college with my master's. It doesn't matter that I'll be almost 60 when I get it. It's just very important. Personal growth and professional growth. After I receive my master's, that will help me in my professional growth. My personal growth is being a little less judgmental, more patient. Sometimes my patience run really low. Where is my opportunity to make a difference? This is hard for me because I never thought I could make a difference in anybody's life. I've never had much self-esteem because of my first marriage. I was in an abusive relationship, and I was pretty beat down when I come out of it. It's took me many, many, many years to even think that I could make a difference at anything. But education, and what I mean by education, I mean fighting for education, fighting for our rights, fighting for public education. I am involved in AEA, and I do a lot of meetings and going to see legislators to tell what's important to us and what we deserve. Children, I want to do more with children. I teach Sunday school class. I work with kids. They're very important to me. My heart breaks for abused children and women because I've been there. I've done that, and I know how you can get so down on yourself and think there's just no solution, but there is. Do I believe I've reached my full potential? Not yet. Um, why? I have yet to graduate college. Hopefully, I will. I'm going to work hard at it. I have to make sure that my grandbaby or my daughter now, since I adopted her, has a full, happy, vibrant life. I want to retire, and when I retire, I would like to get involved more in my church and community, do volunteer work. I think that I can make a big difference in other people's lives. How great can I be? Here's another thing. I never thought I could be great. It's to probably over the last 10 years, I've got to feeling like I can be great. Um, I would like to be in a leadership role. I kind of do it um, without the title or the pay, and I enjoy working with others, being an inspiration. I've had several students come in um, that came from an abused relationship. I have been able to sit and just tell my testimony, how I was in a relationship like that while I was getting my bachelor's, but I made it, I did it, and so can they. Um, I have talked to nurses that I talked to in the office after they graduated, seen them at the hospital, and they just hugged me and thanked me because I made a difference in their life. Fighting for the rights of educators. I keep saying that. It's so important because I think that educators aren't thought of as much as they should be. And so that's very important to me. So by graduating college, get more involved in my church and community and a leadership role in AEA, which I'm on the post-secondary board, I feel like I can be great and I can make a difference. And here we come to the end of my presentation, and I love this saying because today is a day. Today is a day for us to begin because we control our own destiny. Um, our happiness depends on us and how we look at things. With mindfulness, you can take a break, take a breath, look at things different, not get so stressed out. So I just love this saying that today is the day for you to begin creating a joyous, fulfilling life because it is. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. I enjoyed doing it. It was a little hard. It's a little hard for me to search my soul um, and talk about myself because I've never been really good about talking about myself. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.